Product page template layout. I am displaying the variable product and showing its specifications here. I wanted to change the SKU in weight and dimension value based on the selected variations. First time it is showing nothing here because there is no default value right now. When I am selecting the variations like 110 gram, you can see that SKU value is changing, EN value is coming, weight is coming, and dimension also showing here. Like I selecting the 500 gram, SKU value is changing, weight changing, dimension is also changing. When I am resetting, clicking on the reset button, the value is also resetting. WooCommerce already added the skit for it, but when we are customizing the design and creating the layout based on the custom div or dynamic data tags, so sometimes it is not working correctly. Therefore, I created the interactions, custom interaction actions for this. If we look our backend for the single product page, my setup like this: SKU, GN, weight, dimension, and the editor, the EN value, I put my dynamic data tag and set the interactions. Trigger is found variation, action is variation GTN EN value. I am facing the variation GTN EN ISBN value, so action is like that. And here is another thing: under the attribute, I added the attribute for the default data. So this data will show when you click on the reset button or when the single product page loads at first time. So data hyphen o underscore content and value, you can set the static value or the dynamic data tag here. This is the setup. If we look the weight, you can see that I said data hyphen o content bu product weight, and interactions is found variation weight is HTML, or you can set the original value, just integer value you can capture. I set the variation weight HTML, so it will set display the unit also. So this way we can set up the variations attribute for the variation items and display the attributes based on the selected variations. Thank you.